Welcome to our comparison of two popular smartphone gimbals, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus and the AOCHUAN XPRO kit. In this video, we will explore their features, performance, and overall value to help you decide which gimbal is the best fit for your videography needs. We'll delve into aspects such as weight and portability, included accessories, and display features. Let's get started. When it comes to weight and portability, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus is the lighter option at 1.04 pounds, making it easier to carry around for long periods. In contrast, the AOCHUAN XPRO kit weighs 0.65 pounds, which is slightly heavier but still manageable. If you prioritize portability for travel or outdoor shoots, the Hohem may be the better choice. The AOCHUAN XPRO kit comes with additional accessories like an RGB magnetic fill light and a tripod, enhancing its value for content creators. On the other hand, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus focuses on being lightweight and portable, but it lacks these extra accessories. If you want a complete package for professional use, the AOCHUAN may be more appealing. The AOCHUAN XPRO kit features an OLED display that provides real-time monitoring of battery life and shooting modes, offering more control during filming. In contrast, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus relies on its companion app for settings and controls, which may not be as convenient for some users. If having a dedicated display is important to you, the AOCHUAN stands out in this category. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus and the AOCHUAN XPRO kit have their unique strengths. The Hohem is perfect for those seeking portability and ease of use, while the AOCHUAN offers a more comprehensive package with additional features and accessories. Consider your filming style and needs when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.